Bilingualism, the ability to speak and understand two languages proficiently, has become increasingly common in our interconnected world. This trend is fueled by globalization, immigration, and the growing recognition of the benefits of being multilingual. This video aims to explore the intricate relationship between bilingualism and brain function, shedding light on the neurological mechanisms underlying language processing, cognitive advantages associated with bilingualism, and the potential implications for cognitive health and language learning. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging videos like this. Dispelling myths surrounding bilingualism. One common myth surrounding bilingualism is that it confuses children and hinders their language development. However, research has shown that this is not the case. From an early age, infants are capable of distinguishing between different languages, suggesting an innate capacity for language differentiation. Bilingual children demonstrate the ability to develop vocabulary in two languages without confusion, indicating that their linguistic abilities are not impeded by exposure to multiple languages. Code switching, the practice of alternating between two languages within a conversation, is often viewed as a sign of linguistic confusion. However, studies have shown that code switching is a natural and effective communication strategy for bilinguals. It allows them to express themselves more precisely by drawing on vocabulary and grammatical structures of both languages. Competing languages, the neurological basis. The phenomenon of competing languages refers to the simultaneous activation of both languages in the bilingual brain during language processing tasks. Unlike monolingual individuals who activate only one language when processing linguistic stimuli, bilinguals must manage the co-activation of two languages, which poses a unique cognitive challenge. Neuroimaging studies have provided valuable insights into the neural mechanisms underlying language control in bilingual individuals. Research by Veorica Marian and colleagues has shown that both languages in the bilingual brain are activated simultaneously, even when individuals are using only one language for communication. Neural plasticity. Adaptations in the bilingual brain. Neural plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize in response to experience, plays a central role in shaping the bilingual brain. Research has shown that exposure to multiple languages induces structural and functional changes in the brain, leading to enhanced cognitive abilities and greater cognitive flexibility. One key aspect of neural plasticity in the bilingual brain is the development of distinct neural networks for each language. Neuroimaging studies have shown that bilingual individuals recruit different brain regions when processing their first language compared to their second language. Cognitive health in bilingualism. The cognitive benefits of bilingualism extend beyond language processing to other aspects of cognitive function, such as attentional control, cognitive flexibility, and executive function. Research has shown that bilingual individuals demonstrate superior performance on tasks requiring cognitive control and inhibition, such as the Stroop task and the flanker task. One key aspect of cognitive health in bilingualism is attentional control, the ability to focus attention and inhibit irrelevant information. Bilingual individuals exhibit enhanced attentional control compared to monolinguals, as evidenced by their ability to selectively attend to relevant information while ignoring irrelevant distractions. For example, bilingual individuals perform better on tasks requiring conflict resolution and task switching, indicating superior cognitive flexibility and adaptive control. Thank you for exploring the fascinating world of bilingualism with us. If you want to continue discovering more about the wonders of the brain and language, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. See you in the next video.